Imagine waking up every day feeling like your body weighs 10 times more than it should. Sounds familiar? Dragging yourself out of bed becomes a victory in itself. Running errands, exercising, or even just thinking clearly feels impossible. That's the reality of chronic fatigue. The exhaustion isn't just physical, and if you've felt it, you know how much it steals from your life. Your focus disappears, your thoughts feel heavy with brain fog, and no matter how much rest you get, your energy never truly comes back. The hardest part? People around you don't understand. Friends, co-workers, even doctors often look at you like you're fine, but deep down, you know something is off. And they're right, something is. In many cases, the hidden culprit is your adrenal system. When your adrenals are pushed past their limit from stress, poor sleep, or constant pressure on your body, they can't keep up. That's when the fatigue, the brain fog, and the heaviness set in. Your body is essentially running on empty, and this is where Adrenal-Ease was designed to help. It works by supporting healthy adrenal function, giving your system the boost it needs to rebalance and restore energy. People who use it often notice they feel lighter, clearer, and more resilient in just a short time. Instead of dragging through each day, they finally feel like themselves again. Imagine waking up with the energy to get through your day, feeling focused instead of foggy, and having the strength to not just survive the week, but to actually enjoy your life again. That's the kind of shift supporting your adrenals can bring. So, if you're tired of feeling weighed down and drained, it's time to give your body the support it's been missing. Adrenal-Ease helps you reclaim your energy, your focus, and your life, because you deserve to feel alive again. Try Adrenal-Ease now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.